السلام عليكم جميعا، أهلا بكم في قناة التعلم بتدريج مع عاطف. Welcome to YouTube channel Step by Step Learning. درس اليوم 14 من سلسلة اللغة الإنجليزية الأساسية. هيا لنبدأ بالكلمات الأولى. أنت أو أنتِ you are you are you are you are. هنا here here here. أنت هنا أو أنت هنا you're here. You are here. أنت you are هنا here. You are here. You are here. أنت وأنتِ you are you are. أنت you are. أنتِ you are. هناك there. هناك there. هناك there. أنت هناك وأنتِ هناك. أنتِ you are هناك there. You are there. You are there. You are there. Ustaz, our teacher. Ustaz, our teacher. أنت أستاذ. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. طباخ, a cook. A cook. طباخ, a cook. أنت طباخ. You are a cook. You are a cook. You are a cook. سعيد, happy. Happy, Happy. Happy. سعيد, happy. أنت سعيد. You are happy. You are happy. You are happy. You are happy. حزين, sad. Sad. أنت حزين. You are sad. You are sad. You are sad. You are sad. فتاة, a girl. A girl. أنت فتاة. You are a girl. You are a girl. You are a girl. دكتور, a doctor. A doctor. أنت دكتور أو أنت دكتورة بالإنجليش. You are a doctor. You are a doctor. You are a doctor. اقرأ واحفظ معي. أنت. You are. أنت. You are. هنا. Here. هنا. Here. أنت هنا. You are here. You are here. أنت. You are. هناك. There. There. أنت هناك. You are there. أنت هناك. You are there. أستاذ. A teacher. أستاذة. A teacher. أنت أستاذ. You are a teacher. أنت أستاذة. You are a teacher. طباخ. A cook. أنت طباخ. You are a cook. سعيد. Happy. Happy. أنت سعيد. You are happy. You are happy. أنت سعيدة. You are happy. You are happy. حزين. Sad. Sad. أنت حزين. You are sad. You are sad. أنت حزينة. You are sad. You are sad. فتاة. A girl. A girl. أنت فتاة. You are a girl. You are a girl. دكتور. A doctor. أنت دكتور أو أنت دكتورة. You are a doctor. You are a doctor. بس اليوم خلاص. شكرا.